Where is he? He's with Caroline. Saying goodbye.
Stefan, he's made a decision.
Cover my eyes, cover my ears. Tell
I need you to know.
these words are
Stefan said something to me before we parted.
One day, when you wake up, tell Caroline I heard her.
I love you.
The sun cannot fall
And I will love her forever too.
Can you hear heaven cry? Tears of an angel.
Just stop, please. Please don't make me leave you.
Tears of an angel. Tears of an angel.
Our day
Tears of an
is tomorrow. It's my last day.
What? Why?
I have a lifetime of work to do to make things right. At midnight, I have to leave my life behind, even though I just pledged it to Caroline forever.
I won't let you
I can't do that unless I know you're safe.
I won't say goodbye.
Because my one condition was that I get to spend my last 24 hours of freedom with you.
I love you, Stefan. So much.
I love you so much.
I love you too. We were supposed to spend our lives together.
I want this. I just got married. My wife is out there waiting for me to come home to her.
Stop the car. I said stop.
I promise I'm not gonna let
Stefan is officially the worst gift giver.
It means I get to grow old with my best friend.